Hi, I'm KJ. I'm an interior designer based out of Mumbai, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up your bedroom with all things from Ikea, and if you stay along till the end you'll also know what the whole thing will cost. So this bedroom is actually the master bedroom of a 2 BHK apartment in Mumbai. Let me take you through the bedroom. So you have the entrance and you have a balcony here. This is the walk-in closet space, and also you have a toilet. Now some of you may recognize this floor plan from a previous video I've done, which is the open kitchen video, and in that I've already shown how you can do up the living room and the kitchen for this particular apartment, and for those of you who've not seen it, I'm just going to link it below. So let me take you through what are the things that we need to furnish this entire bedroom. So one is the bed, 2 bedside tables, 2 bedside lights, and a study table with a study chair. Now this bedroom is quite a good sized bedroom actually for a Bombay apartment, and if you see there's quite a bit of space around the bed, and there are a couple of options with what you can do with the space. Either you could do like a lounging seating space, or you could do a bar unit or a TV unit. It's really the client's personal choice. And here, because I have the freedom to choose, I've gone for a desk area as opposed to a seating space, given that the bedroom already has a balcony where you can set up a nice seating outside. Besides, clients these days specify their need for a dedicated study space ever since COVID has taught all of us to work from home. Now let's talk about the aesthetic of the space. Since we are going to buy all furniture pieces from Ikea, the space without a doubt is going to inherit the Scandinavian modern aesthetic. Now for the bed, I need something which has storage underneath, and I also always prefer to take a bed with a comfortable, soft upholstered headboard. So I'm going to go with this bed called ADILS. There's also another bed called LAGKAPTEN on the website, and it's at a much better price. So it ticks other boxes, like it's got storage underneath and it's also got a nice upholstered headboard. The only problem is that it's smaller in size in comparison to ADILS, and given that we have the space for a larger bed, it doesn't make sense to go with a small bed. And which is why I'm going to go with ADILS, even though it's quite expensive in comparison to LAGKAPTEN, but because it's the most important piece of furniture in this bedroom, which is the bed, so I would choose comfort and quality over being frugal. For the bedside table, I definitely do not want to do something like this. I mean, it can do the job, it's got drawers, but I don't personally like it because it's a very conventional form. So I'm going to be going with this guy because I find it a much better form. Also, it's very earthy. Also, it's a completely solid wood material, so I know it's going to last a long time. Now our bedside table is small and does not have a lot of table space on top, which is why I specifically searched for bedside lights which are wall mounted and not table mounted. So I've gone for this light here. I like the shape of it. It's slightly different from the typical round globe lights. I mean, globe lights are quite timeless and they really look good. I personally like them as well, but I just happen to see them everywhere and I'm kind of bored of seeing globe lights everywhere, which is why I thought to go with this one. I think it'll do the job pretty well. So what happens when you buy everything from Ikea is that the combination of furniture pieces that I've put in here in this space, it's very possible for you to find it somewhere else. So to add a little bit of uniqueness to your bedroom, you can put in a nice wallpaper. You can select a wallpaper of your choice. I've gone for this vibrant Asian paints wallpaper, but it's not necessary you have to go for the same one. You can go for anything else that suits your personality more, and that way you will instantly get a lot of personality in the bedroom. enough space against this wall to accommodate a 2-meter wide table. I think it will look quite interesting and expansive. And I came across this study table, which I think is at a very good price for the size of the table. But it just looks a little officey. So I'm going to add in a couple of more products from Ikea so that the table doesn't look very drab and dull if used as is. We're done with the all Ikea bedroom makeover, and this is what it's going to cost you if you were to buy all furniture pieces from Ikea. I mean, thank God that Ikea has finally found its way to India. It was long awaited and much needed, especially for people working with such a tight budget. I hope you've enjoyed this makeover as much as I've enjoyed creating it. Also, do comment and let me know what your favorite idea or favorite furniture piece from this makeover